nje laphana ke ama-artist sawubona Fiso.
Sawubona bhuti futhi.
Alright my brother.
Ngiyaphila wena njani mfethu?
Right mfethu. Ngizocela ukuthi mfethu singene nje endabeni yabo. Usichazele kabanzi ngerole mhlambe ke edlalwa ama record label laphana kusayini nama-artist nokumanage nje ama-artist kuma career wabo.
Alright bhuti. So ngiyacabanga la ukuthi sikhuluma nge-music business.
Yes sir.
So masithi business we mean there's money involved there.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So noma yipi business izoyofuna imali ebank. Ama musicians awakwazi ukufuna imali ebank because they have high risk. You never know ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. So yila kungena khona ama record labels. Yeah. Ama record labels ayi bank yama musicians in essence.
Okay.
Yeah, singayile nale because mawuya ku record label usuke udinga imali yokuthi ukwazi ukwenza lento ofisa ukuyenza ngokwe art yakho, yabona?
Okay.
Yes. So they are just exactly that ukuthi uyangena. The only thing abagood ngayo ukuthi bayazi ukuthi noma sikunikile le mali inside the labels nama systems azoyenza ukuthi lento yakho egcineni ithengise.
Yeah.
Yabona?
Yeah.
So yeah, in short nje umuntu uya ku record label usuke athi ngine skill, ngine ingoma nginani but anginamali yokwenza ukuthi ifike la eAlex